Oops.
No way, Carl, no way.
There we go. This is one of the lesser spotted ooze crocs. Yeah, let me give you a hand. There's a lot of geese there, though, isn't there? Hello, inflatable fans. I'm out with the pub landlord. And it's a heatwave day, and this might be a bad idea. Yep, we're going out. Bad idea, perhaps. Time will tell. Well, he's in. He's just having a little splash around just to kind of get used to it. What we've got as an issue here today is the water levels are so low that that is actually quite a drop. So I'm glad I bought the Brent and the ironing board. See what I mean about that height? Not to worry, I'm in. And we've got an early sighting of ducks for Mark there, look at that. There you go, Mark, you can stop watching now, we've done the duck thing. You'll get used to me talking to the camera. More ducks.
I'm glad I watched your videos on how to do this.
Whoops.
What are you doing there?
Out of class.
Get out of
Oh, it's nice under this shade. Shall we just sort of like paddle around?
Should we stop here?
Yeah. Just paddle around in a circle here.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the that's Acaster Malbis side. You're in. Cheers. That chap just said to me, he says, "You're on YouTube, aren't you?" Oh, the heights of minor celebrity, I'm finally reaching them. He's laughing away at me over there. There we go, this is one of the lesser spotted ooze crocs. For those of you that have watched some of my kayaking videos, you might recall me paddling past this area in kind of like winter and spring, and these willows not been in leaf, and now they all look really pretty. So this is Acaster Malbis on the left hand side, and that's the Pub Landlord on the right hand side. I think we've got another convert, ladies and gentlemen.
One of my missus would get into this.
Got a nice little spot in the shade there, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, they are comfy boats.
There's another shark.
You what, shark? Pauline, I've seen some wildlife in here. Bit more sun lotion on. It's a very leisurely one today. Very leisurely. But yeah, nice place to live. I think Naburn in general is quite nice, really. Say that again. It is. Yeah. Yeah, there's some lovely boats around here.
Oh, we know who that is, don't we? Eh?
Moody.
Yeah, Joe's Moody. I do estate agents in Europe. They're made in Corby. Skyline Boats is in Corby.
Are they? It just made me laugh when I saw it said Moody. There's a lot of geese there though, isn't there?
Mm.
Just approaching my favourite bridge because it's got this great wire sculpture on top. You don't need to be worried, they'll stay away from us. Hello. Oh, do you know, I am now getting ready for food.
Me too. Coming up somewhere here, are we?
Just up here on the left. You having any joy? Have you?
You won't do.
Well, you won't with that attitude.
A couple of canoes if you give them do so.
Got to watch out for flying hooks. Right, we're going to head over to this side, find somewhere to get out and cook breakfast. Yeah, the water levels here are definitely a lot lower. Right. So the water levels here are definitely a lot lower. I'll jump out first. Yeah, it's not too deep here.
There's rocks there as well. It's literally a foot deep now.
Yeah. Oh, I'll tell you what, that's nice. Right, whew, that's really nice. Let's get the food bag. Well, we've dined and it was edible almost, wasn't it?
It was lovely, man.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Lovely. We dined and we're going to get back on the water. We're both doing water launches because we want to wet our feet. It's so warm. So hot. What do you say? We should walk back?
Walk back and just
Look at that. Straight in.
Give me my rope. See you later.
Such an easy boat to get into. I'm in. Some kids fanning around on the water. Let's go. Woohoo! Bit bright with that sun, isn't it?
Yeah, well.
Yeah. So as you've seen today, the Pub Landlord's out in the ironing board and I'm out in the Brent. And one of the videos I'm thinking of doing is these boats are predominantly single chambered with a small air chamber in the floor piece. And I'm kind of intrigued to know is what would happen if you had a catastrophic air accident where all the air from the main chamber escaped while you were on the water. Is that a video you'd like to see? Let me know in the comments if you think that would be useful to know, because it's definitely something I've considered with these being predominantly a single chambered boat. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. Yeah, all sorted. Nearly back at the launch point. Past a few other inflatable kayakers and paddleboarders today.
Coming home.
Yeah, not far to go. Got another question for you kayakers. Do any of you, every so often, my left hand shoulder, it just sort of like stiffens up quite a bit and it gets really painful just for a little while and then it eases up. And does anybody else experience anything like that? Let me know in the comments if you do and if you know what it is. Feels like a frozen shoulder or something, but it's not, obviously, because I still have it, as I say, it eases up. But yeah, if you know anything about that, watch out behind you. Watch out behind you. All right. At least your pooch is enjoying it.
Yeah, like it's a pain in the ass.
How do?
Right.
Have you left us space to get out?
Hey?
Have you left us space to get out?
Yeah.
Oh, lovely, thanks. All right. What is weird to see today is, you see at the bottom there where there's those breakers that stop the boats going over the weir. Normally there's a load of spray and mist coming from the other side of that, but there's so much less water in the river at the moment, it's not going over with the same force. Anyway, time to turn to dock. Oh, it's nice in the shade. I'll jump out here and then I'll give you on to tie it up.
Yeah, you're right. I think I could do that, mate. Used to be in the Navy.
Yes, let me give you a hand. Yeah, let me give you a hand.
The camera nearly went in there. Glad you tied it off.
Yeah, it's a good job I tied it up.
And that would explain
You got it? Yeah, you're out. Good stuff.
Oh, nice.
I've got a casualty, look, got a wasp sting. You're warm in there? Right, it's everything back in the car. Pub Landlord's on about stopping off at the pub, oddly enough.
A lot of sun today, so I thought we'd come and sit out in it.
Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. Needed that. That was a good little trip out, that. Quite enjoyed it. It was good to get to Pub Landlord out. So that's us done. We're heading back now. If you've enjoyed this, you know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up or a thumbs down. If you like what I'm doing, hit the subscribe button and all that kind of stuff. Thanks so much for watching. You take care of yourself.
Bye from me. It's bye from him.
Bye-bye.